Hey there. As usual, I hope you had an excellent weekend. I was able to head out to Mount Rainier this past week and hop on Tolmie Peak Trail. I think when people go to Rainier, they tend to want to go on hikes that are on the mountain, which can be cool, but to me, sometimes the better option is to do a hike beside the mountain so you can see it close up. There are usually less people here, and the views are normally a lot better. I didn't have any weed with me on the hike, but I do have a story for you. Wangari Maathai was born and raised in Kenya. Throughout her life, she played a key role in leading both women's rights and environmental movements in Kenya and beyond. In 1977, Maathai founded the Green Belt Movement, a nonprofit organization promoting environmental conservation, building climate resilience, and empowering communities, especially women and girls. Thanks to her hard work and passion, over 51 million trees have been planted throughout Kenya, and more than 30,000 women have been educated in trades that allow them to make a living, all while fostering environmental sustainability in their communities. There's so much more work that Maathai has done. Be sure to read about it in any of her 4 books, and check out the link below. Anyways, that's all from me. Have a wonderful week.